But the breaking story that's coming in this evening, fighters of the Baloch Liberation Army have taken 182 hostages. An additional 8 Pakistani military personnel have been killed. Total number of casualties is now at 20. The Pakistan Army has rushed a relief train with reinforcements of Pakistani soldiers and doctors from the Quetta railway station to Sibi in Balochistan after the Jafar Express there was hijacked. This is being seen as an attempt being made by the Baluchi fighters, insurgents, to take on the Pakistani army. The Pakistani army clearly caught off guard there in Balochistan at the moment. That is a rapidly developing story as the Baluchi insurgents hijacked that train in Balochistan and are making various demands on the Pakistani army. The Baloch Liberation Army, the BLA, has claimed responsibility for what has happened. I'm joined at this moment. Sumaira Khan, a journalist based in Islamabad, has more details. Sumaira, what can you tell us about this incident? What more details do you have?
Thank you very much. And first of all, the terrorist organization that is banned across the globe and banned and proscribed by the UN authorities, obviously, officials, Baloch Liberation Army, they have once again launched this heinous attack on civilians. And the second thing that is very, what I believe as a journalist, that should go to your viewers as well, that the area we are talking about, it's Dhadar Bolan. And Bolan is a very tough terrain in Balochistan. Balochistan is overall, I'm pretty sure that you might be studying Balochistan before doing this program as well. It's the toughest terrains of Pakistan. It's the toughest terrain, even more than Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. I belong to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. I am a Pakhtun myself, but I must tell you one thing, that Balochistan in across Pakistan, if I term one place as the toughest terrain, filled with rugged mountains, is called Balochistan. And but
Sumaira, has the Pakistani army been caught off guard? You're saying it's a very tough terrain, but to hijack a train in this manner, has the Pakistani army been caught off guard?
You know, if you can't compare it being off guard or they have just tried to attack the Pakistani military and they were sleeping. It's not the case. If you are in a province that is half of the Pakistan, you can't stretch your 300,000 and 400,000 army personnel, reserve personnel, levies, khasadars, police, and other security officials into such a huge province. I was studying a few clashes between Indian security forces and Manipur today even, but I can't term it that the clashes caught the security forces of India off guard, because it's not the term that defense analysts and defense reporters, they do this. No, it's not the case. Why I'm telling this, that the terrain is filled with rugged mountains, and all these BLA terrorists, they go to take refuge in these mountains. They come back, they hit civilians, they hit security forces, and they run back towards
what is the latest though? What is the latest? What is the latest we know, Sumaira? What do we know at the moment?
Latest is you talked about that they have some they have taken hostages, they killed some military personnel. So let me clarify one thing, that the security personnel were not killed in the clashes. They are having still the sanitization operation is still going on in the area, and I'll give more details on the area if you have more time. The sanitization operation is still in process in the mountains of Bolan, Dadar, because they have to they took the whole passenger train off their track, and they tried to hostage people. But let me tell you right now, a full-fledged military operation is in process. It's underway. And according to my information, even the airstrikes are being carried out on that typical patch of the mountains, because it's too tough to go in there. Obviously, if a military personnel is going there, he or she is in a uniform, he's a very visible enemy to you. But people there, they are hiding in the garb of civilians. So you cannot afford any sort of collateral damage if I'm speaking on behalf of a military personnel. So obviously they would avoid more collateral damages. So they are going into the mountainous terrain very carefully. But yes, there is one thing that can be called a security breach, that local police personnel, local levies personnel, and whoever was obviously they were assigned with the basic security spectrum and paradigm. They
Right.
need to be asked that why this train, because if they were planning to attack